To provide the best possible viewing experience, the vehicle photographs in this video have been digitally remastered and enhanced using artificial intelligence. This allowed us to restore clarity and detail that otherwise wouldn't be visible. Now, let's get started. The Mack Model AC is the truck that started a legendary reputation. Introduced in 1916, this heavy-duty workhorse became famous for being nearly indestructible. When sent overseas during the First World War, British soldiers noticed its blunt hood and stubborn ability to push through mud. They started calling it the Bulldog, a nickname Mack adopted as its official corporate mascot. The AC featured a rugged chain drive system on the rear axles, incredibly effective for moving heavy loads over terrible roads. It proved a commercial truck could be just as tough as a train, setting a massive new standard for the transport industry. Moving into the mid-1930s, Mack introduced the Model E, a versatile medium-duty truck designed to handle a booming domestic economy. While the AC was a massive heavy hauler, the Model E was built for everyday freight, delivery, and construction tasks. It featured a streamlined enclosed cab that offered much better weather protection, marking a major step forward in operator comfort. Mack offered this model with a wide variety of wheelbases and engines to fit any job. The Model E became a common sight on roads through the Second World War, proving the company could build highly reliable vehicles for daily local routes. Arriving just before America entered the Second World War, the Mack Model L was engineered specifically for heavy, long-distance transport. It was larger and much more powerful than the E series, built to haul huge payloads across the country. The L series was highly favored on the West Coast, where trucks needed big engines to pull heavy loads over steep mountain passes. This model also helped popularize the use of diesel engines in heavy trucking, offering far better fuel efficiency than older gasoline motors. With its imposing chrome grille, the Model L cemented Mack as a premier builder of serious long-haul highway tractors. The Mack B series completely revolutionized the look of heavy trucks when it hit the market in 1953. It featured a beautifully rounded aerodynamic design that stood out from the sharp boxy shapes of earlier models. The cab was widened, giving drivers excellent visibility and much more interior room. Under the hood, Mack introduced their legendary Thermodyne diesel engine, delivering incredible pulling power and fantastic fuel economy. The B series was wildly popular with almost 128,000 units built. Today, it remains one of the most iconic and recognizable classic commercial trucks ever produced. As highway length regulations grew stricter in the 1960s, Mack answered with the F series. This was a cabover design, meaning the driver sat flat over the front axle instead of behind a long hood. This compact setup allowed haulers to pull longer trailers while staying within legal limits. The F series was offered with or without a sleeper compartment, making it a flexible choice for cross-country and regional freight. It quickly became a global success, exported to regions where tight roads made cabovers essential. The F series proved Mack could successfully adapt their rugged heavy-duty engineering into a highly space-efficient package. In 1966, Mack launched the R series, creating one of the most successful heavy trucks in global history. Its tough, no-nonsense design featured a fiberglass tilt hood, giving mechanics incredibly easy access to the engine. The R series was an absolute staple in construction, logging, and highway transport for almost 40 years. Its legendary durability meant fleets could run these trucks hard for millions of miles with minimal downtime. Powered by the robust Maxidyne engine line, the R series essentially built modern infrastructure and even became a famous pop culture icon, starring in numerous classic American trucking movies. Introduced in 1977, the Mack Superliner was the ultimate premium conventional truck, built specifically for heavy highway hauling. It took the rugged underpinnings of the R series and paired them with a massive squared-off hood designed to house the largest diesel engines available. The Superliner was an absolute favorite among owner-operators who wanted serious performance wrapped in a striking chrome-heavy package. It offered a highly upgraded interior aimed at keeping drivers comfortable on week-long trips. With its aggressive stance, the Superliner remains a highly priced collector vehicle among heavy transport enthusiasts today. Entering the market in 1982, the MH Ultraliner was Mack's most advanced cabover truck. To save weight and resist corrosion, the cab was constructed using a special fiberglass composite, a radical idea at the time. This lightweight design allowed transport companies to increase payload capacity, maximizing profits on every trip. The Ultraliner featured excellent aerodynamics and a refined suspension system that finally gave drivers a remarkably smooth ride. It represented the absolute peak of American cabover engineering before highway law changes caused conventional hooded trucks to dominate the market once again. Debuting in 1990, the Mack CH series was a completely fresh take on the conventional highway tractor. Designed with modern aerodynamics in mind, it featured a sleek, sloped hood and a seamlessly integrated sleeper cab that drastically reduced wind resistance. The CH was built around driver comfort, offering a spacious interior that made long weeks on the road much less exhausting. It utilized advanced electronics and highly efficient engines to meet the growing demand for better fuel economy. The CH series successfully bridged the gap between Mack's rugged mechanical heritage and modern fleet requirements for low operating costs. Launched in 2001, the Mack Granite quickly became the undisputed king of vocational trucks. Instead of focusing on highway transport, the Granite was engineered specifically for dump trucks, concrete mixers, and heavy refuse collection. Its galvanized steel cab provides extreme durability on punishing job sites, while the sloped hood gives drivers excellent visibility. The truck is built around an incredibly strong alloy frame that handles massive physical stress without twisting or breaking. Today, the Granite remains the most popular heavy-duty construction truck in North America, perfectly embodying the tough bulldog attitude that Mack is famous for. Hitting highways in 2018, the Mack Anthem completely redefined the company's approach to long-haul transport. It features a bold, heavily sculpted exterior that looks incredibly aggressive while remaining highly aerodynamic to save on fuel. Engineers refined the interior to create a living space feeling like a premium modern apartment, ensuring drivers stay fully rested. The Anthem is packed with cutting-edge technology, including predictive cruise control and advanced collision avoidance systems. By combining legendary mechanical toughness with digital innovation, the Anthem proves Mack is fully prepared to lead the future of the global trucking industry.